my main idea is to create something related to nature and connected to Brazil. To represent it, we start to develop a new concept, and my first concept is to create something related to a mangrove. Then I start to develop other ideas, like for example, to use a crystal as a structure and to create something related to mathematics. It's my first time that I use Swarovski as a material, okay? And the first time that I do something artistical in this way, because I'm an architect, okay? But this kind of theme always interests me. Then I start to develop something new for me also.
So this year we're bringing Humans Since 1982, Sylvain Willems and Julien Carretero, and then Humans Since 1982, who is they are at the core of our gallery. So there's always new work, we're always exploring new possibilities of all technological aspects. So in this case, there's a lot of the LED, which is the big new technology of today. They have an approach that is quite different from most other designers in the idea, in the sense that where most people try to find applications for LEDs, they are mostly looking to study LEDs. What do they do? What kind of colors do they have in their lighting? What kind of evolution is there in LEDs over the last few years? And on the other hand is the A Million Times, which is also one of the projects that has been at the core of our gallery over the past year and a half, and are the real, let's say, discussion, conversation pieces.
Well, my concentration this year is outdoor furniture by an American designer named Walter Lamb, who made bronze furniture as opposed to steel or brass or other tubular furniture, so it can be used outside without it rusting. The interesting story about Walter Lamb is that he started his business in Hawaii by salvaging all the pipes in bronze and brass and copper out of the ships that were sunk in Pearl Harbor. In my opinion, it's the best outdoor furniture that was made in America after World War II. And then I also combine that with a passion of mine and an interest that I've had for many years of the American studio jewelry makers. These are jewelers who made jewelry, who had shops either in the Village or on the West Coast. They sold mostly silver. It wasn't really about the stones, it wasn't about the intrinsic value of the piece or of the materials that they used, it was more about the design.